Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make a page expand using CSS. So let's say you have some borders on a page and as the content grows, you want those borders to grow instead of the content overflowing the borders and the page expanding because of that. So the way to do this is go ahead and make a div. I'm going to go ahead and make a div here and set it to whatever height you want it to be. Let's say I'm going to set it for the whole page, so I'm going to put 100%. And notice I'm not going to put the borders and coloring on this div. Instead, I'm going to wrap it with another div, and I'm going to style that div to have a border of, let's say, 2 pixels. And that outer div now is going to expand with the content of the inner div, and the border then will also expand as well. This is a very clever and neat trick for your page to expand along with your content without causing the overflow to not fit within the borders. I'm Omar and I hope you found this video informative. Have a good day.